Hi, thanks for watching Amherst Alarms tutorial video. My name is Joe, and today we'll be reviewing how to change the battery in your PG9985 Flood Detector. Before you start this process, make sure you contact Amherst Alarms Monitoring Response Center to let them know. When you do this, you will send a tamper alarm signal to your panel and also to the Monitoring Response Center. Let's get started. This is the PG9985 Wireless Flood Detector. To get started, you're going to want to take a flathead screwdriver and insert it into the small gap at the top. Turn it slowly and the cover will pop off. Be careful, make sure you don't lose it. You're going to need it later. Then you're going to take a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew. Gently pull the cover away from the base plate. And here you would see a CR123A lithium battery. Make sure you replace it with an identical one. The negative is going to be pointing up and the positive will be pointing down. There are indications on the board to remind you. When you're done, grab your cover and insert it bottom first. Slowly close it. It only goes one way, so you won't have to force anything. Screw the screw back in. And when you're done with that, take the cover and insert it bottom first and push down on the top until you hear a click. And that's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial video. If you have any questions, please call 716-632-4600. Thank you.